Hi, my name's Shane. I booked a tour this morning, 11 a.m. I'm in a wheelchair. I'm just making sure it's wheelchair accessible.
If it's just a regular standard wheelchair, it should be perfectly fine to just go straight on to the boat from the dock.
It's about 6 a.m. and I slept so well. And happening that 24 hours ago, there's an absolutely wild Category 3 cyclone ripping through here. The fact that it's quiet and calm is just bizarre.
There is literally no wind today, but in front of me, the footpath is a little bit blocked by some broken branches here. But I mean, the footpath doesn't really go very far either. There's a pretty big tree behind me here that's derooted, and it's landed on a power pole, a light pole just there. I also spotted a shopping trolley, which is right there, which is amazing because it blew all the way from the shopping centre to this park right out the front of the beach. So the street sweepers are in full swing this morning, cleaning up after the cyclone. And I'm actually heading today to Adelaide River. I've just booked a tour. It's called the Original Jumping Crocodile Cruises. I'm not sure if it's accessible, I just booked it, but I'm gonna give them a call in a minute and ask if I can go in a wheelchair. According to the website, it is ethical tourism, and I'm going to find out if it actually is. Hi, my name's Shane. How you going? I booked a tour this morning, 11 a.m. I'm in a wheelchair. I'm just making sure it's wheelchair accessible.
If it's just a regular standard wheelchair, it should be perfectly fine to just go straight on to the boat from the dock.
It's a regular wheelchair, but I've been eating quite a lot of schnitzel so far this week, so that might be challenging.
Yeah, no worries. We'll see you soon.
See you shortly. Bye.
Bye.
According to the lovely lady, it's wheelchair accessible. So anyway, I'm going to smash my coffee and my poached eggs, and we're going to find out if it actually is, and ethical. Oh.
Coming up.
If I do need to pee, what's like, because I sometimes can't control my bladder.
Yeah.
Can I just piss in a bottle?
Yeah, or a bucket. It's.
All right.
Yeah.
Or just dangle it over the edge?
I mean, the crocs are there. So a bottle is probably a better choice.
And some people it's a bigger of a risk than others, if you know what I mean.